Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to teach you on how you can hide your mouse cursor in OBS recordings. So go ahead and open your OBS and then go to the sources section from the bottom. Now here under sources, go ahead and select display capture. Double click on it to access its properties. Now uncheck the box of capture the cursor and then select OK and you'll be done. From now on, your recordings will not show the mouse cursor in your OBS. While recording through OBS, if the cursor is still visible, you can try using window capture instead of display capture as your source and ensure that capture cursor remains unchecked in its properties. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.